Open house disclosures made easy. Hey there. Managing disclosures at your open houses doesn't have to be stressful or time-consuming. With Open House Wizard, you can ditch the paperwork and go fully digital for free with our free disclosures feature. With more states requiring disclosures from every visitor, having an easy system in place is a game changer. Our free disclosures make the process fast, professional, and completely paper-free. Need signed disclosures with visitor info embedded right into the PDF? No problem. Check out our premium signed PDFs add-on for even more options. You can find all the details on our website, openhousewiz.com, or check out our YouTube video, Open House Disclosures. So, how do free disclosures work? It's super simple. Our free disclosures feature integrates right into your open house registration process. Visitors can read your disclosure forms, sign an acceptance signature, and submit their info, all in one go on a single, easy-to-use screen. They can access the disclosure and registration page on their own devices via a QR code or text code, or on your device, like an iPad, at the open house. It's a seamless system that saves time for you and makes a great impression on your visitors. Why you'll love going digital. Let's be real. Paper forms are a thing of the past. Here's why going digital is the way to go. No printing, no storing, no headaches. Registration and disclosures happen together. No extra steps. Your pages are fully customizable with your logo, branding colors, and even your headshot for that extra professional touch. A smooth experience for your guests. We make it easy for visitors to sign in and review disclosures with two simple options. 1. Smartphone sign-in page. Guests scan a QR code or use a text code to get started. They review the disclosure, fill in their details, and sign, all on their own device. 2. Device-hosted registration page. Set up an iPad or another device at your open house. Visitors can register using text code, QR code, or a standard form right on the screen. No matter which option they choose, the process is fast, easy, and stress-free for everyone. Automatic follow-ups? Yes, please. Once a visitor completes their registration, they'll get an email with a downloadable link to the disclosure they accepted. You'll get their details and their signature saved right to your dashboard, so you've got everything on file. It's a professional way to follow up and keep things organized. Getting started is a breeze. Ready to simplify disclosures at your open houses? Here's what to do. 1. Sign up for a free account at openhousewiz.com. 2. Head to Settings, Sign Disclosures in your dashboard. 3. Upload your disclosure forms and toggle the feature on or off whenever you need. That's it. You're ready to roll. Works with any registration style. Whether your guests are signing in via text registration, QR code registration, or a standard registration form, our free disclosures work seamlessly across all methods. It's flexible, easy, and perfect for any open house setup. Why pick Open House Wizard? We're here to make your life easier. At Open House Wizard, we're all about simplifying your open house process. From sleek, customizable sign-in pages to hassle-free digital disclosures, we help you focus on what matters most, your clients. So why wait? Visit openhousewiz.com and start using our free disclosures today. P.S. Don't forget to check out our video on the premium signed PDFs add-on for even more awesome features.